Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever received a gift that felt special before you even opened it? In this video, I will guide you through simple and elegant gift wrapping techniques that anyone can do. With a few basic materials and clear steps, you can turn an ordinary present into something truly memorable. Let us begin. First, prepare a sheet of wrapping paper that is large enough to fit your gift box. Fold the paper to match the size of the box and lightly mark the correct measurement. Use scissors to cut away the excess paper. Next, turn the wrapping paper over so the inner side is facing up. Place the gift box in the center of the paper. Fold the top edge of the paper downward, making sure it fully covers the surface of the box. For the next step, take the right side of the wrapping paper and fold it inward like this. Then fold this section neatly over the top of the box. After that, repeat the same process with the left side of the wrapping paper, folding it in and laying it smoothly over the box. Now, with the remaining wrapping paper on both sides of the box, fold it upward onto the surface of the gift. This folding method will create two clean crease lines on the top of the box. Next, turn the remaining open end of the box upward. Fold it neatly into shape. If the wrapping paper here is too long, you can trim off the excess or fold it inward to keep everything tidy. Apply a piece of double-sided tape along the edge of the paper. Fold this section up and press gently to secure it firmly in place. At this point, the gift box is wrapped neatly and cleanly. Next, we will move on to decorating the gift. Take the leftover wrapping paper that we cut earlier and place it over the folded crease on top of the box. Fold it to measure and mark the width that we need. Fold the paper evenly to create equal sections across the strip. Use scissors to cut out 4 square shapes. From these squares, we will create 4 layers with gradually smaller sizes. The second square should be smaller than the first by half a centimeter. The third square should be smaller than the second by another half a centimeter. Continue this pattern until you have 4 squares that decrease evenly in size. Take one square piece of paper and fold it to create crease lines like this. Next, fold the paper into a triangle following the creases you have just made. On one side of the triangle, fold the two edges downward like this. Repeat the same folding steps with the remaining square pieces. For the next step, place a small piece of tape near the top of the largest triangle. Take the second triangle and place it on top of the largest one. The tape will hold the two pieces together. Continue attaching the remaining triangles in order from largest to smallest. Once finished, you will have a shape that looks like a small Christmas tree. Take a small strip of paper to create the tree trunk. Fold both edges inward neatly and evenly. Attach the trunk to the tree using tape. Finally, attach the finished tree to the gift box. And the decoration is complete. And that is how you can wrap and decorate a gift in a simple and elegant way. With just a little time and creativity, you can turn any present into something truly special. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gift wrapping ideas. I will see you in the next video.